guys, I have here from Emercy Contour Memory Foam Pillow, Health and Comfort. See guys, as I am opening, wow, did you see how beautiful it is? That is the pillow. That is for the health. Did you see it? From the back also, you can see it. That is the pillow from Shop Emercy Contour Memory Foam Pillow, Health Comfort. This is good for your neck, yeah, for your neck, for your head, and for your shoulder. For your shoulder, guys. Oh, how smooth it is. The fabric so smooth and very comforting. And this is a fit shoulders curves. See, that is the shape of this. So that you can see, that is the shape of this Contour Memory Foam Pillow from Shop Emercy. So that is, guys, they have 5-year warranty. It's good. That is, they have pin relief, no smelt, good, supported, fit shoulder curves, adjustable height. That is the Contour Memory Foam Pillow, guys. What are you waiting for, guys? Check the details below in Shop Emercy.